Hey, how you doing? I'm going for a ride with the wife, testing out the new camera that I've been wanting, the one I've been whining about all this time. So this is the first footage ever taken with my new camera. Well, I'm in Blandford Nature Center, just testing the new camera, watching the ducks, so nothing special. This is just footage for myself for testing. Haven't tried hitting focus at all on this thing once. I just want to see what, if anything, comes in as focus. Use some of this as B-roll. So let's just see what happens. Well, I hope this test footage is going pretty good. Well, right now, I don't have a clue what to say. Hi there, I'm in Blandford Nature Center right now, taking a little bit of test footage, trying to learn new styles of vlogging. So I might put a couple clips in here for you guys to see. I might just keep them for teaching myself how to do the, whatever I'm trying to say. Thank you for watching this video. If you've liked it, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for future episodes. Leave your comments down below, and by all means, share this video on social media so other people can enjoy it as well. Thank you, and have a great day.